difficult. Yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age. For these are the questions we got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Whoa, we are next in line. What is life to offer me when I grow? What's there to look forward to beyond the fighting cold? Cause they say it's difficult. Yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age. For these are the questions we got to face. We are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Whoa, we are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes into whatever it takes. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. Hello everyone! Nandiyan sa likod! We are next in line. We are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes into whatever it takes. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. Oh, I sing this song to all of my age. For these are the questions we got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. Hello, mga kapamilya! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I am so happy to be back here in Toronto, Canada. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Buti hindi masyadong mainit ngayon, no? Kahapon daw mainit, tapos umuulan pa. I think we brought the sunshine here in Toronto. Hindi, kayo po ang nagdala ng sunshine. Maraming salamat for having us here. Salamat, The Filipino Channel. Palakpakan natin. And of course, Plaka, Teresa and Mon Toralba, maraming salamat. Plaka Chair Philip Mendoza and the board. TFC, I Want, ABS-CBN Global. At sa lahat po ng mga Filipino volunteers, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Actually, nandito lang kami ni Joe na last April. We had a concert. Ngayon, bumalik ulit ako. Sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa amin. At dahil dyan, I have prepared mga 250 songs for everyone. Hanggang bukas. Okay lang kayo dyan? Okay, I would like to give you this medley of beautiful songs that I have recorded for the John Lloyd Bea Tandem. Hindi niyo po na itatanong, ako po ang kumanta ng lahat ng theme songs ng kanilang teleserye and pelikula. So I hope you can sing along with me para lang tayo nag-video, okay guys? Huwag kayo mahihiya. Okay lang ba?
Yeah!
Ito inaalay ko sa lahat ng mga in love. Sinong in love ngayon dito? Taas kamay. Oo, marami. Eh, yung mga heartbroken, parang mas marami. Eh, yung mga medyo paano ko ba sabihin? Medyo mga tanga sa pag-ibig. Marami. I think itong mga susunod ko kakantahin very fitting para po sa inyo lahat. This is for all of you. All of my life it seemed that something had been missing. It didn't know what to do. Days would pass me by, each as lonely as the other, until I met you. You opened the door and let the sunshine in. My life will never be the same again. Now that I have you, everything just seems so right. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through. I'm living in a brighter world now that I have you. Even though it's been so long, my love for you keeps going strong. I remember the things that we used to do, kissing till the sunshine through, a to the night. But I'm still in love with you. I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say or do, there's just no getting over you. Just one night, and we'll have a magic feeling like we used to do. Hold on tight, and whatever comes away, we're gonna make it through. It seems believing it's worth the wait, so hold me and tell me it's not too late. We're so good together, we're starting forever now. Like crazy, I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, and I miss you. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say or do, there's just no getting on with you. For you still hold the key. go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Thank you. Ha? Ano sabi mo? Ang gwapo ko. Pakilakas mo. Sa personal lang, sa TV pangit. Hindi talaga ah. Alright. Do you want more? Okay, for my next song, I think I need two single ladies here on stage. Dapat single ah. Saka dapat magaling kumanta. Okay. Sige, tawagin na. I think may natawag na yung host kanina. Okay lang ba? Ayan. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Ay. Hi, what's your name?
Jamaica May po. Jamaica May.
Jamaica May. And you are?
Realin.
Rayalyn. Okay, say hi to all your fans here.
Hello, Araneta.
Hi.
Hello, Araneta!
Ano?
Hello, Araneta.
Araneta.
Joke lang po.
Toronto naman. Hello, Toronto. Bilis
Hello,
na lang.
Toronto!
Hindi, dapat yung para kang, pop star, ganun.
Oh, pwede.
Hello.
Hello, Toronto!
Ayun! Ikaw naman.
Hello, Toronto!
Okay. Handa na ba kayong makiduet sa akin?
Yes po.
Para naman kayo single, no?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So dito, kakantahin natin tong bagong-bagong kanta na to. Kunyari pinag-aagawan niyo ako. Okay lang? Okay lang. Sige. Wala kayong choice. Ako nagplano nito lahat. Sa ngalan ng ating mga kapamilya dito. Di ba? Okay, here's another song for everybody. Okay. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit kung kailanan aking puso mayroon ng laman?
Sana'y naramdaman na darating ka sa buhay ko. Kung sana'y naghintay ako.
Ikaw sana aking yakap-yakap. Kaya mo yan. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking mahal. At hindi ka na. Come on, you can do it. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit pinibigsan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa
Nararapat sa akin.
at siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon kailan dumating. At dito naman tayo humarap. Kung sana nga makapiyakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay mo? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay dapat limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka lang. Everybody! Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay mo? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat at sabay dapat limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon kaya? Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko?
Pilit binubuksan ang aking puso.
Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay dapat limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon? Kaya mo yan. Everybody! Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much. Ha? Pa-picture? Sige. 50 lang, 50. Siyempre, solo ka rin.
Wow!
Alapakan po natin sila, guys! Dahil dyan, meron kayong... Ayan. Maganda yan, ah. Ako din. Alright. Inom lang ang tubig. Ito na lang.
Nakakatawa siya.
Okay. Are you guys enjoying so far?
Yes!
Okay. I would like to share with you this classic song which I have recorded for the teleserye of the same title back in 2006. But alam mo, alam mo ah. Sino yun? Ang galing mo ah. Kumakanta ka rin. Do you sing? Alam mo yung kakantahin ko eh. And marami na pong version ang narinig nyo sa awiting ito, but I am so privileged and honored that I have my own version of this classic song. One of the best in original Filipino music, of course, written by the great Ray Valera. Ito po ay inawit ko para sa teleserye pa rin ni John Lloyd and Bea. This is for everybody.
Maging sino ka man.
sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig, wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita, kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di ko kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging. Everybody. Mali man ang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging. Mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Sino ka man. I love you all. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Maging sino.
Come on.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. You want more? Anong gusto niyo kanta? Ha? Pagbigyang muli. Di ko kakayanin kung ika'y mawawala sa aking piling. Di ko kakayanin pag nalaman kung wala ng pag-ibig sa akin. Di kayang mag-isa, gustong kasama kita. Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko. Magtiwalang muli, ito na ang huling pagkakamali. Pag-ibig ko muling tanggapin. Ano ba? This is the moment, the final test. Destiny making, I'll never reckon second best. I won't look down, I must not fall, for this is your moment, your sweetest moment of the month. Okay, let's party! Baby, rock it to my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say we'll never part. Everybody! Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, alam ko na mahihibang. Come on, hello. Thank you guys. Rock, baby, rock. Ang init. Si ano ba itong batang taga-disco? Lagi na po sa swerte nasa disco. Mga problema na'y kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y lumulugod, sumasayaw. Sa umaga, diskotsadora. Sa gabi siya'y bonggang-bongga. Pagsakit ang dilim, nasa kokobanana. Si Annie Batumbakan, sa disco Isnadera. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Si Annie Batumbakan at taga-disco. Laging umusang sweldo niya sa disco. Mga problema na'y kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y lumulugod, sumasayaw. Sa umaga, diskotsadora. Sa gabi siya'y bonggang-bongga. Pagsapit ang dilim, nasa kokobanana. Si Annie Batumbakan, sa disco Isnadera. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Hello! Love you guys! Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagpipili natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit na alam. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan.
sa'yo ko. Oo, awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko. Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko. Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko. Awitin mo. At isa sa'yo ko.
Oh, awitin mo. Thank you, everyone. Nawala na. Buti na lang, magagaling kayo kumanta lahat. Maraming salamat, guys. Ang sarap talagang ang sarap talagang mag-perform para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. I know you guys are tired, but maraming salamat for coming over at makiselebrate with us. At dahil dyan, ibig ko pong tawagin muli ang aking singing partner for today. Jonah, everyone! Okay lang ba mag-selfie tayo? Thank you.
Selfie!
Sa phone ko na lang, sa phone.
Yes!
Dito muna. Tag ko kayo guys, isa-isa.
Yeah!
Okay, dito sa kabila. Taas kamay guys. Itatag ko kayo one by one. Miss Jonah.
Hey everyone!
Palakpakan po natin, Miss
Hello po
Jonah.
sa inyong lahat! Grabe, sobrang enjoy ng audience natin.
Sobra.
Oo nga.
Grabe.
Ano, let's do a duet?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Kausapin muna natin sila, Miss Jonah.
Yes! Alam niyo po, masayang-masaya po kami ni Eric na makabalik po dito sa Toronto. Last 2 months ago, around May, first week of May, nandito lamang po kami kasama si Christian Bautista. And we had our concert, yung trilogy top tier
Yes.
with Jessica Sanchez and Sofronio Vasquez. So now we're very happy that we're back dito po. So maraming salamat po sa inyong support. Thank you so much po for coming this afternoon. Napakaganda po talaga ng weather. We are really blessed.
Yes. Sana po
Hindi
ay
natuloy yung
nag-enjoy
ulan.
kayo. Oo nga.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga, dinala nila ang sunshine dito ngayon sa event natin.
Oo nga,
Diba?
din sa Harborfront. Naku, alam mo, ang wish ko talaga, makaikot tayo dyan, makalakad-lakad dito man lang. Kasi parang napakaganda ng lugar. Ano po?
Napakaganda.
Napakaganda po talaga ng lugar. But,
Kasing ganda mo, Miss Jonah.
At syempre kasing gwapo mo naman, Eric
Thank
Santos.
you very much.
Kasing kinis at kasing laki ng muscles mo.
Ang init
Yung,
eh.
totoo, sobrang init mo.
Nag-jacket pa ako. Hindi ko na panindigan yung jacket na mainit pala.
Na ano po talaga niyan, plot twist po niya yan para mapakita niya talaga yung pinaghirapan niya.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Oo, alam ko yung mga ganyang galawan na Eric.
Sa susunod na ako, nasa Viva Max na siya. joke lang.
Alam po nila, nanonood fairness.
Anyways, we want to give you this special song. And again, maraming salamat sa ating mga minamahal na kapamilya, mga kababayan natin dito sa Toronto. Thank you so much. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
And now, this is a reminder for everyone to do not stop believing in ourselves at sa mga pangarap po natin. Just a small town girl took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
I sit here in a smoky room, I smell of wine and cheap perfume. And for a smile we can share a night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, open down the boulevard and shadows searching in the night. Streetlight people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time.
Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting,
Up and down the boulevard and shadows searching in the night. Streetlight people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop. Thank you, everyone. Don't stop.
Thank you, everyone.
Love you so much. Thank you po. God bless you all.
Love you guys.
Thank you so much. Oh, can we take picture with you all po? Once again.
Ayan, selfie lang po. Groupie pala.
Join us. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.